Citi Mobile versus Chime, which app is best for budgeting? Today we're diving deep into Citi Mobile versus Chime, two banking applications that may seem similar at first glance, but when it comes to budgeting features, they serve very different audiences. So, if you're someone trying to get a better handle on your spending, save a little bit more each month, or just want an application that makes budgeting easier, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from in-app tools, user experiences, automation, integration, and which one actually helps you stick to your budget needs. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Citi Mobile and Chime. Now, Citi Mobile is the mobile banking application for Citibank. It offers full access to your checking, saving, credit card, loans, and investment accounts. It focuses on giving traditional banking customers a secure and detailed view of their overall finances. Now for Chime. Chime, on the other hand, is a neobank, a fully online banking alternative. It's built for mobile first users and offers no fee banking, automatic savings, early direct deposits, and budgeting tools designed for simplicity. So, while both applications allow you to manage your money, Chime is designed to help you budget and save more intuitively, while Citi Mobile offers deeper access to a wider financial portfolio. We also have the budgeting tools breakdown, and so let's look at what matters most, which is going to be budgeting. And so, for Citi Mobile, they have spending insights, which categorize your transaction, track spending trends, and allow you to see where your money is going monthly. It's not a full budgeting system, but it gives you a clear data. Now for Chime. Chime offers real-time alerts, automatic saving tools, and a no-frill approach to budgeting. It simply rounds up all of your purchases and saves the difference. You can split your paycheck between spending and saving instantly. And so the winner for the budgeting category or tools is going to be Chime. It's more intentional about helping you control and direct your money. Now, we then have the automation and saving. Automation is key to a stress-free budgeting. Citi Mobile allows you to set up automatic transfers, track bill payments, and link multiple accounts. It's great if you already have a financial plan and just need tools to maintain it. Now, for Chime. Chime is built on automation. You can simply automatically save a percentage of your paycheck, automatically round up purchases to your savings, and lastly, get paid for up to 2 days early via direct deposits. Now, when it comes to automation, Chime is the winner, hands down, because it simplifies saving and budgeting without needing a spreadsheet. We also have the interface and ease of use for beginners out there. Now, your budgeting application should be easy to navigate. For the Citi Mobile, it is designed for people who want depth, graphs, spending categories, multiple account views, etc. However, it can feel overwhelming if you want to check your balance or track daily spending, because once again, inside their application, you can see your overall finances like your savings, checking, and investing accounts. Now for Chime, it is a clean interface. They are minimalist and focuses on the essentials. It's fast, simple, and ideal for people who want to manage money without a learning curve. Now for simplicity, I will pick Chime. And for advanced users, you want to head over to Citi Mobile. We then have to talk about the alerts and notification. Real-time alerts help you stay on budget. Basically, Citi Mobile lets you customize alerts for balances, payments due, large purchases, and suspicious activity. Now, for Chime, they send instant notification for every transaction, deposit, or transfer. This makes it much easier to stay mindful of your spending in real time. Now the winner is going to be Chime because the alerts are faster and more tailored to daily money management. We then have the credit building and financial health features. Basically, Citi Mobile offers access to FICO score, monitoring, credit card recommendations, and full integration with your Citi credit accounts. This makes it a solid option for those looking to manage credit and build long-term wealth. Basically, Chime also offers a feature called Credit Builder Card that helps users build credit safely with no interest or hard credit check, which is perfect for new budgeters and freelancers. Now, the winner for this category is going to be Thai. You want to use Citi if you already have a credit, and you want to use Chime if you're just getting started or need to rebuild your credit score. And of course, since we're talking about money, we then have to talk about the security features of both platforms. Now, Citi Mobile uses biometric login, two-factor authentication, and encryption. Chime also uses Face ID, Touch ID, and transaction monitoring. No clear winner here because both are safe and reliable for budgeting. We then have the integration and export option. So basically, if you want to use applications like YNAB, Mint, or even Excel, this matters. Now, for Citi Mobile, they offer downloadable transaction histories, account linking via Plaid, and deeper data control. Chime is more limited, but you can still connect it to a third party with Plaid and view basic statements. Now, if you are focusing more on categories or integrations, the winner is going to be Citi Mobile. And so, the last thing that I want to talk about is the real user feedback. And so I have pulled thousands of recent reviews and feedbacks for Citi Mobile. They have 4.7 stars. Basically, users love the ability to view all Citi products in one place. Some mentioned that budgeting features are decent but not the app's focus. Now for Chime, they have 4.8 stars. Users rave about simplicity, speed of notification, and how much easier it is to save money and avoid overdrafts. So the winner in user satisfaction for budgeting is going to be Chime. And so to finish the video off, you want to use or choose Citi Mobile if you already have a bank with Citi. If you want access to full account insights, credit monitoring, and manage multiple financial tools from one place. It's ideal and experienced budgeters and who want a granular data and integrations. And so you simply want to use Chime if you're just getting started, want something intuitive, and need features that automatically help you budget and save, like early direct deposit, roundup saving, and real-time alerts. For hands-free budgeting, Chime is the better pick. For deep insights and full control, Citi Mobile wins. And so that is all for the breakdown on both two platforms. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos. Thanks for watching.